Here we will go over the most popular strategy on the Facebook group. This strategy only requires 10 minutes of screen time. Make sure to check it out in the group's featured section for more details. The first 10 minutes of the day strategy. Here we are on the charts. Open Polarity. Copy our exact settings for your own trading. We use these settings, but yours can be more sensitive if you prefer. Enable Polarity and let's begin. We will test 3 days with this strategy we use. Here we are Thursday, November 2nd. Remember, we will only arm the strategy long. The markets look like they are trending. We will wait 14 minutes today, but you can wait 10 minutes only if you like. The maximum is 14 minutes. If you go over 14 minutes, then the strategy will not work anymore. Please keep this in mind. The markets are opened and the price is moving, which is a good sign we will get a fill today.
Order filled.
Looks like we got a fast fill. Let's see what price will do.
Target filled.
We got our first win. Let's move quickly over to Friday morning and try this again. It's Friday morning, let's quickly begin. This is the start of the session. Let's arm long now.
Order filled.
So just when we thought we were done for the day, we got our fill.
Target filled.
We got our win. And moving on to Monday. Let's arm long, the open is here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we got a fill now. Let's check out the charts again to see our levels. We got a resistance point here. We did the right thing and got out early. As seen with this green automatically drawn line on the charts. Here we will highlight the resistance area shown on the charts. This is a good area to find when to exit your trades. Here's how we did in 3 days following our strategy every day.